how to add your business to Google Maps. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your business on Google Maps easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Google Maps. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top here, click on those three lines and click on this add your business option. And now here, as you can see, add your business name and your business category. Let's add, for example, Jacob Mark, and here add your business category, technology school, for example, technical school. And now choose, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like store? I'm gonna add no. And here, as you can see, choose the place where you are serving people. You can choose any place, for example California. Click next, and yeah, now add your contact information and click next, and it's gonna be there in Google Maps. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.